This place is absolutely stunning. G'day humanoid life forms, Chewie here. In this video I'm meeting up with SteelSteedSpeedster again, and we're heading down south. You can see it's a beautiful, sunny winter's morning here in Sydney. Well, it's very foggy, which means it's going to be a beautiful sunny day. This is the boring part of the trip. As you can see, I'm 10 minutes down the road from my place and we got blue skies, some light cloud. Beautiful. A little bit of freeway driving before I get to meet up with SteelSteed. He lives around about 1 hour away from me. Can't wait to get there. See you soon, SteelSteedSpeedster. M5 motorway. The factory fire here at Moorebank. You can smell it. You can see the smoke. Heathcote Road, that's what we want. Time to get off the freeway. Woohoo! Heathcote Road. Magnificent. Sutherland Shire. Is this Heathcote McDonald's?
Sorry?
Is this Heathcote McDonald's?
Yeah.
Yeah, sweet, thanks man. Heading into the Royal National Park in Sutherland. This is my first time riding in here. These corners are all new to me, I've never been on them before. This is beautiful. This is absolutely stunning. Look at this place. This is beautiful. I can handle coming down here and having a canoe around or something. That'd be great. See how bushfire's been through all of there. And on that side, not touched. Maybe it was backburned, I don't know. Some beautiful trees. Oh wow, this is spectacular. Just through those trees there we've got a big valley. Magnificent. Magnificent. Wildlife ahead. I can see why riders come down here. They are beautiful corners. That's so much fun. What a beautiful big country we live in. Looks like the road we wanted to use is closed. That's a shame. Well, that beautiful windy bit of road along the coast, I was hoping to get onto it. Maybe we still can down there, I'm not sure. Heading up to Bulli. Here is the Bulli Pass. Steep for 1 kilometre. This is awesome. Absolutely beautiful. Bunch of surfers out there. Must be a good break. How's that? It's the middle of winter in Australia. Almost dead smack in the middle of winter, and there's people riding surfboards on a Friday afternoon. Sea Cliff Bridge. Cliff Sea Cliff Bridge. It's friggin' awesome. Back up the Bulli Pass. I'm heading home. What an awesome day. Thanks SteelSteedSpeedster for showing me around the south here. Absolutely loved it. Can't wait for the next ride. I'm going to leave it here, humanoid life forms. 100%ers. This is a simple one today. What do you like more? Coffee or tea? And don't tell me neither. Coffee or tea? One or the other answer, that's it. Leave your answer in the comment section below. Until next time, humanoid life forms, be good to each other. Chewie out. Peace. This is beautiful.